हरि ओम् कर्तृपदं बालिका गच्छति अत्र बालिका कर्तृपदं गच्छति क्रियापदम् बालिका कुत्र गच्छति वेयर इज द गर्ल गोइंग बालिका देवालयं गच्छति girl is going to school. Instead of saying devalayam gachati, if you say devalayah gachati, what's the meaning? Temple is going. Temple is not going anywhere. It's balika. So to distinguish this, we use the Dvitiya Vibhakti form. Balika devalayam gachati. Devalayam gachati. बालिका जनकं पश्यति जनकः जनकः इत्युक्तौ पिता इत्यर्थः जनकः बालिका जनकं पश्यति अथवा पिता 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 पुत्रं पश्यति पुत्रः पुत्रं पिता पुत्रं पश्यति पिता पश्यति फादर इज सीइंग हू इज फादर सीइंग अत्र पिता इति कर्तृपदं पुत्रम् इति कर्मपदम् पुत्रः पश्यति व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पुत्रः पश्यति सन इज सीइंग पुत्रः पश्यति who is seeing putra the kartrupadam is putra pita pashyati who is seeing here in pita pashyati pita father is seeing putra pashyati putra is seeing pita putram pashyati pita janakah pita same means janakah putram pashyati शिवः गणेशं पश्यति पार्वती गणेशं पश्यति पार्वती इति गणेश गणेशः पार्वतीं पश्यति हियर हू इज सीइंग हूम गणेशः पार्वतीं पश्यति गणेशः इट इज इन द ओरिजिनल प्रथमा विभक्ति फॉर्म सो गणेशः इज द कर्ता कर्तृपदम् So it is Ganesha who is seeing. Ganesha pashyati. Who is Ganesha seeing? Ganesha Parvatim pashyati. So Parvatim, by using that Dvitiya Bhakti Parvatim form, you are saying Parvati is the karma padam here. Ganesha is seeing Parvati. Ganesha Parvatim pashyati. Parvati Ganesham pashyati. So Parvati is the Kartrupadam, Ganesham Vidyavakti Karma Padam. Right? So if you say Parvati Ganeshah Pashyati, then you don't know who is seeing who. Both are Prathama Vibhakti, both are Kartrupadam. There is no Karma Padam. Who is being seen is not said. Is wrong. So Parvati Ganesham Pashyati means Parvati is seeing Ganesha. Or Ganesha Parvatim Pashyati, Ganesha is seeing Parvati. Evam Harini Pathashala Gachati. Harini Pathashalam Gachati. Harini is going to Pathashala. If you say Harini Pathashala Gachati, then what happens? The Pathashala goes. You don't want school to go away, right? Right? Harini, do you like your Pathashala to go away or you want to stay there?
I want to stay there.
Yeah, you love Pathashala?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So there is someone who likes school, good. So Pathashalam Gachati. हरिणी पाठशालां गच्छति. हरिणी गच्छति. So is that clear now? Right? So each form has a role to play. So balika pathashalam gachati. Balika is the prathama vibhakti form. Pathashalam is the dvitiya vibhakti form, which is the karma padam. Balikayah nama Harini. The girl's name is Harini. Balikayah nama. Shashti vibhakti. So you cannot just, I'm repeating whatever you learned so far. So there is Balikayah nama Shashti. Shivasya putraha Ganeshaha. When do you use the Shashti? Shivasya, Balikayah. To show the relationship, sambandha. So these are the three forms you learned so far. Shivaha, Shivasya, Shivam. So, three forms. Shivaha Ganesham Pashyati. Shivaha Katrupadam. Shivasya Putraha Ganeshaha. Shivasya Shashti. You learned that. Then how do you use the Shivam form? Ganeshaha Shivam Pashyati. You also learn Saptami. Saptami. Devalayah Flushing Nagare Asti. Ata Devalayah. Prathama vibhakti Katrupadam. Devalayah Asti. Devalaye Puja Bhavati. The puja is not a lady called puja. Puja is the puja program is going on. So Devalaye Puja Bhavati. So Devalaye Saptami. Meaning in the temple there is puja going on. Devalaye Puja Bhavati. Devalayasya Nama Ganesha Mandiram. Devalayasya. Bhaktaha Devalayam Gachati. The devotee goes to the temple. Now you see, you have used Devalaya in all the four forms. Devalayah Kutra Asti, Devalayah Flushing Nagare Asti, Devalayah Katrupadam. Second form. Devalayasya Nama Ganesha Mandiram. Name of the temple is Ganesha Mandiram. Now the third form. Bhaktaha Devalayam Gachati. Devalayam Karma Padam. The fourth form. Devalaye Bhaktaha Pujam Kurvanti. Devalaye. Now let us combine all the four and form one sentence. It's a bit fun. Devalaye Mata Putram Pashyati. Devalaye Mata. Mata, Shashti is not there. So let us add Shashti also. Shashti also. Devalaye Pita Mitrasya Putram Pashyati. Devalaye Pita Mitrasya Putram Pashyati. Mitram is friend. Mitrasya Shashti. Putram Dvitiya Karma Padam. Kaha Pashyati? Pita Pashyati. Pita iti Katrupadam. Putra Devalaye. So Devalaye Saptami. Pita Prathama Katrupadam. Mitrasya Shashti. Putram Karmapadam Pashyati. You got it? Huh? So, today you are learning the Dvitiya Vibhakti. I just want to clarify that. Oh, 10 15 minutes. But so my time is up. So my next class, I have to go. So Dvitiya Vibhakti, clear concept is clear, right? So have this in mind. Have this example in mind. Balika Devalayam Gachati. And so Devalaya is the karma padam, is the destination to where. So Kartrupadam, you understand what is Kartrupadam, karma padam, right? So Balika Devalayam Gachati. Girl goes to the temple. Here Balika is Kartrupadam. Devalayam is the karma padam. Karma padam always takes that Dvitiya Vibhakti form, which makes sense. If you don't use that form, then you don't know who is going. To clarify that. Who is the Kartrupadam? What is the Kartrupadam? What is the karma padam? Right? So aham chayam pibami. Chayam pibami. Aham phalam khadami. Revati phalam khadati. Revati phalam khadati. अथवा प्रसन्न जलं पिबति. प्रसन्न पुस्तकं गीतां पठति, भगवद्गीतां पठति. कृष्णरावः संस्कृतं वदति. अस्तु, इदानीं सम्यक् स्पष्टं किल? तत्र कर्तृपदं चषकः अस्ति. चषकः अस्ति. चषकः कर्तृपदं. चषकस्य वर्णः श्वेतः. चषकस्य षष्ठी. चषके चायमस्ति. चषके चायमस्ति. चषके सप्तमी. अहं चषकं पश्यामि. चषकं पश्यामि. In all the four? चषकः अस्ति. चषकः. चषकस्य वर्णः श्वेतः. चषके चायमस्ति. अहं चषकं स्पृशामि. अहं चषकं पश्यामि. You see, the same chashaka used all the four forms. That's how you want to remember. अत्र स्थापयामि.